We do have an active weather pattern across the country. I think it's going to end up with thunderstorms here later in the week that could be strong to severe. We'll time that out in just a second. Meanwhile, 88 was the high today. Normal's 83, record's 96. And all of the weed and tree pollen counts gone into moderate. Mold is moderate as well. Oak is the predominant tree pollen out there right now. It's a beautiful evening. It's a summer-like evening. It's 77, one warmer than yesterday. Dew point's almost at 70. Southeast breeze at 15. At least we have that breeze kind of mixing the air around. Here's what's happening across the country. There are actually two pools of chilly air. One here, Dodge City, Kansas, 38. They've had snow today in Kansas and up in Nebraska. And then another pool of cold air back here, Portland to Boise. So those two pools of cold air represent our two storm systems on the map. Now this one actually is dangling a front into North Texas. Dallas may have some strong thunderstorms overnight tonight, but that system's going to head east more than anything else. It's this second system up here near Portland and Seattle. This is the one that has a little bit more of a significant trough in the upper level wind pattern. This is the wind flow at 34,000 feet. And watch how this trough sharpens and digs, heads south, and then pushes into Texas as we head into Thursday. And once it gets into the lee of the Rockies, it will produce a surface low and a surface frontal boundary. So you're looking at two different layers of the atmosphere here. The front at the surface, the wind flow at 34,000 feet, and that will have significant impacts on the strength of the storms that this front kicks off, because going into Thursday afternoon, 3, 4, 5 o'clock, the jet stream will become divergent right over Houston and southeast Texas. We've talked about this pattern many, many times. When it's divergent up there at 34,000 feet, it's just like the wind is spreading out, just like spread your fingers and there's empty space in between your fingers. Well, there's empty space in between some of those air molecules up there. It creates a vacuum up at 34,000 feet. Any storms that get going get sucked up by that vacuum, and it can wring out all the energy in the vertical column of the atmosphere. And so that's why we think we may have some strong, maybe severe thunderstorms and a line of storms going into Thursday afternoon and going into Thursday evening. Coastal areas still need rain, but some of those may be strong. So Thursday's a day when we'll be on weather watch together and see how that plays out. Meantime, tomorrow, high temp goes to 90. It will be hot tomorrow, and there is a 20% chance for an isolated thunderstorm Tuesday and Wednesday. It's Thursday we get those storms, and then look at Saturday and Sunday. High 93 Saturday and 93 for Mom's Day on Sunday. It's going to be a hot Mom's Day weekend, guys.
Yeah, and it feels like and looks like summer this coming Mother's Day,
Ta-da.
too. Thanks so much, Dave.